Okay, so I just woke up, hence the filter. But people always ask like how to make the keto coffee from It Works, not clumpy. So I am going to show you how to do that. Okay, so right now all that's in my cup is just 1 packet of the keto coffee. Then I also put a scoop of the chocolate greens in there as well. And then all you do, you just add a little bit of water. So you can stir it up and make a paste. And when it's paste consistency, it should have a nice poop-like color to it. I don't know a better way to explain it. And then you can put cold water in it, or I always do it hot. So I just use my Keurig and I just put it on the Alright, and then I always stir it up a little bit with my spoon, just to get like the clumps on the bottom and stuff, like obviously up top. And then after I stir it with a spoon, I always go in and just whisk it. So it has been stirred. So now I'm just gonna whisk it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and it will help it get nice and frothy like the keto coffee is supposed to be. And then it is all set and ready to drink. And this will keep me full, probably until lunchtime. And yeah,